Good morning. I'd like to call Dale Raymond up here also because her and I have worked on this project to extend this water line down M13. This is a cooperation. I've been in office quite a few years and never really knew Standish Township till we did a water project, a couple years ago. And it worked out beautifully and was approached. They have a petition for water down M13 and they want to do a special assessment. And this will certainly help be able to sell the project better. And with the cooperation, they're an excellent township. I've worked well with them, so I thank them very much also.
Well, thank you, Sharon, because King County Township is also well to work with.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Ted.